An account contains $10,000. An additional $4,500 is deposited at the end of each quarter. The account earns 6% compounded quarterly. After how many quarters will it contain 324,000? Round your answer up. Okay, so your future value is going to be 324,000. And then the present value is 10,000, but the present value and the future value are flowing in different directions because the present value was input by the investor and the 324 is what's going to come back to the investor. So make your present value negative, and then your payment of 4,500 should also be negative, so that these two are flowing in the same direction. So the present value and the payment are working together to make the account grow, and then the future value is what you get back. Years, I don't know. Annual rate is 6% compounded 4 times per year, so my rate 6% cut into 4 equal pieces. Number of periods is what I'm trying to figure out. Okay, Excel can only figure out the number of periods. It can't figure out the years. So formula would be N per, and then rate comes first, then payment, then present value, future value. Either put in a 0 for type or ignore it completely. That's 46.98. Okay, now it does say to round your answer up, so this would be 47 quarters. And just for the record, suppose that this answer had turned out to be something like 46.2 quarters, you would still round it up to 47. It's not round it to the nearest, it's round your answer up to the nearest. If your number of periods turns out to be negative, it's because you don't have different signs. Okay, and you could have positive 10,000 if you have a positive 4,500, but then your future value has to have a different sign. So that would work out when you do your number of periods. It still turns out the same, but if you have all of your signs the same, then you get a number error, or you might even get like negative number of quarters.